So I mean, phone सच्ची में गिर सकता है. यहाँ पे also I'll test my nerves. Yeah, let's see.
Let's see how Black Lotus works.
I'm just reading some of the messages now.
So Shreya is very excited about such videos, and throughout, she was constantly asking me to post similar content. So I hope Shreya is happy.
Who else is there? It's just me and Srinath. I mean, there are many foreigners, but I mean, localites actually. We are the foreigners.
Yeah. You, me, and your plus one. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, what? My plus one. She's hidden. I think any time we'll be there next.
This is such an amazing place. There is just so much to explore.
I know, right?
Unfortunately, we have only one day, but Vedi has promised to come here for his honeymoon. So
yeah, I think this is not planned. This is all cooked up content,
So whoever is
Oh, Singh, Aditya is there. Oh, I see Adi in the chat. Retired chess player, yeah.
Retired chess player.
I don't like this
get
fire
this
alarm.
silence.
Yeah, it's a little bit scary to have this
It
fire
means the
alarm.
car is stopped and we have to get down midway.
Really? No. Why? What is this? Right before going, you're telling me all this stuff. Mask, यहाँ पे कोई मास्क नहीं पहन रहा है, but that's the problem. But I'll wear mask if you guys insist.
We don't wear mask here. No? It's already high altitude and stuff.
Right.
It's my responsibility.
Anything you want to say?
It's my responsibility that you stay negative till you're back to your mother.
Yeah. So if anything happens to me, it's on.
Yeah. Anything happens to you, I take full.
मुझे कुछ बोलना क्या? मुझे कुछ डांट के बोला पता नहीं.
He's like
हाँ दो जन.
Like
अच्छा 2 people. Okay. But okay, little bit of panic. Little bit of panic, but okay. Sorry. समय किधर है? I wish समय was there. मजा आता था उसके साथ.
Thank you.
मुझे यहाँ पे क्या पता लगता है, सब अपने से ऐसे बात करते हैं as if like हमें रशियन आता है. Clearly they talk to us like.
नहीं, लेकिन बॉडी लैंग्वेज में हम समझ सकते हैं ना.
They are asking to Russian.
So वैसे language is not just conveyed in words,
Yeah, true. What's the chat saying? I'm just reading the messages.
We are proud of you. Chat is full. We are proud.
Thank you guys. Thank you for all the congratulatory messages. I think there is a lag little bit from what we should.
It's possible.
Do dance. क्या requests आते हैं chats में? Crazy.
Sing, dance.
Sing was I think from
Aditya.
Aditya is still bad, bro.
It will always be bad.
I think after this we are the ones. Yeah, after this we are the. But I think you've improved. Your Hindi is like bearable. It's like Adiban's chess. Or Adiban's B3 course.
No.
It's bearable.
Today we had a poll between B3 versus Catalan.
And who won? Please tell me Catalan. B3 won? Oh my god.
The Catalan is boring turned out to be the game changer.
Should we go?
No.
Come. I was scared, but okay, fine. Let's go.
I was scared as the story of your autobiography, yeah?
Dude, this was a little bit weird, yeah?
Okay, now let's focus on sitting properly.
Yeah, then
Instagram live.
Yeah. Crap. Oh crap. That was close to it. Oh. बंद कर दिया क्या?
Thank you.
Замерзли?
Yes.
Cool, yeah.
Little bit.
Все что ли?
So here we have a co-travelers the view around and if it is like this I can also take my phone.
We were initially planning to do from your Instagram, but you're too scared, you know. You're too scared.
But
So
I didn't have this protection, no, this kavach.
I think I'll show the view rather than my face.
Yes. People have seen a lot of your face in the last 3 weeks.
भाई रशिया का इंटरनेट क्या सही है. Like imagine if my idea was there. In my home I get one signal, you know. Mountains पे तो forget it. Drop test incoming. Chat is like.
Chat is lovely, yeah. Chat is amazing.
At least 6-7 vlogs का content है जो चला जाएगा.
Do you want that chat? Do you want to lose 6-7 vlogs?
So यहाँ पे there is.
Конечно.
यहाँ पे सच्ची में drop test हो सकता है.
हाँ, यहाँ पे भी let's not tempt the fate.
But you're too scared. No?
I'm very scared for my phone. मुझे I mean whatever happens to me I don't mind, but I don't want to lose my phone
And wallet.
and wallet. But I think phone takes priority.
Let me see. I didn't know actually Instagram live पे zoom भी होता है. That's so cool. Drop test please भाई मेरा phone Instagram live will go on forever.
No one can get enough of your face.
That's
That's the sentiment of a lot of people.
Where is Adiban? Adiban left yeah long time ago.
Yeah, anyone left long time ago.
When you'll come to India? कल है हमारा flight. So we are leaving tomorrow, but I'll reach Nasik after 1 month because it's so far. Literally because I'm starting in July and I'll reach in August. So.
By that logic, we are reaching Delhi itself after 1 month.
Yeah, no, but I'll reach very, very late. I think total journey time, if I calculate, it's more than 24 hours. Easily.
It's actually not too different from me, okay? So you land Mumbai. Should I?
No, it's fine. Don't reveal. Don't reveal.
Okay, so you land like 30 minutes before me, and from my airport, it's like 30 minutes to my home.
I don't get. Here I'm trying to be careful with my phone. You're telling me my travel details. I'm least interested in the travel details. मेरा फोन गिरने का इतना डर है यहाँ पे.
See, I'm a good old-fashioned guy. Yeah, for me, content is not everything. I just want to enjoy the view here without my phone.
Because it's not your phone. It's not your phone.
No, I didn't take my phone out single time when I was in this open cable car.
Okay.
Just go.
We are live.
Do you want to say something?
Hi.
He's very
Where are you
popular in
from?
India.
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 Yes.
I read Shantaram.
You read books from him? Oh,
Yeah.
nice,
Yes.
nice.
Very beautiful book. Very.
He's number 2 in India in chess, in Shakmat. Number 2 in India. Vishy Anand's
Super.
number 1 and he's number 2.
And you?
I'm number 20.
20.
Какой? 10-й?
Он 20-й.
20-й?
А он второй. Ты поняла по
Да,
шахматам?
по шахмату.
Yes.
मेरे को बात करने को डर लग रहा है.
You travel?
Yes.
Yes. You know the World Cup in Sochi, the chess World Cup, Galactica.
Сейчас спрошу. How you ate?
8.
Ate.
You mean food?
It's excellent. Yes.
Stop.
Как страшно. Who?
How old are you?
Ah. Can you guess?
Yes.
What do you think?
I think you 23, 4.
23, yeah? Okay.
Yes.
And him?
And you 22, 3.
Ah,
Wow.
thank you.
Thanks.
We are
Yeah,
27.
Сколько?
27.
20.
7.
7.
Нет,
27.
27. Ого.
We are old. You? How?
I'm 23.
Okay. Now.
I'm from Orenburg
In Russia?
in Russia. Orenburg, the
Wow.
city in Russia.
Okay.
Вот.
So you're here for holiday?
Yes.
Oh, awesome.
And you?
To play chess. Shachmat.
You are
World Cup.
you study in Russia, no?
No.
In India?
In India, yes.
Давай еще что-нибудь хорошо для теннис. Давай.
मैं भूल ही गया कि मैं इंस्टाग्राम लाइव पे मैं ब्लॉग समझ के रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था पूरा टाइम आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट नाउ आई एम रीडिंग द कमेंट्स
It's क्या बोल रहे? It's candid conversations. So that is where AD was playing his nonsense B3, and the photo with Dina was taken.
मुझे जब से उसने स्टॉप टॉकिंग बोला मुझे बात
Do
करने
you
का
like it here?
Yes, it's wonderful.
Very
Yeah,
beautiful.
very
yes.
nice,
Very
very nice.
beautiful.
It's one of the
Они
best
здесь делают.
places in
Шахматы
Russia.
же играют.
Но они постоянно
Do
живут.
Сейчас. Do you speak English? No Russia. Speak.
I can speak and little bit like Adin, Dva, Tre,
Okay.
Chitiri, Pet, Chest, Sim, Vosim. Little bit. I can count numbers.
Еще раз?
Numbers.
Numbers. Yeah.
Спроси, они вообще здесь живут?
डर गए क्या?
मैं बात करने से डर गया मैं फोन का तो मुझे डर नहीं है
Ты не понимаешь, что я говорю?
उसने जब से डांटा है मुझे मैं डर गया
You are here for a long time.
Yes
3 weeks.
Oh.
3 месяца? 3 года?
I know.
Tomorrow.
tomorrow we go back
Tomorrow. Уже we go back? Обратно?
India.
India
Понятно.
На чемпионат приезжали, что ли?
You
Чемпионат?
married?
no
No?
Что ты спрашиваешь?
Girlfriend. Женатый или нет? Если подруга.
अभी बहुत मुश्किल सवाल
No,
पूछ
no,
No?
not for me. Yeah. His Instagram also has the same question.
yeah
He
गलत टाइम में
Что-то не болтай.
he likes to keep it secret. You know secret?
Ага. Сейчас что-нибудь тихо спрошу.
ये क्या इंस्टाग्राम लाइव पे क्या सवाल पूछ लिया
अरे
выставить тебя.
chat को the question chat wanted to ask, she also has the same thing.
this is one of the most funniest
Expensive her, you think?
this place
Expensive?
Yes.
expensive
Yes.
but I think good like no problems the food is great
Where you job?
Courtyard by Marriott.
Don't understand. Сейчас.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
What's your job?
What's my job?
Chess, playing chess,
Playing chess is job and
content,
YouTube.
Bloggers.
Bloggers, yes, little bit.
Okay. Я пока не знаю, что спросить.
मैं व्यू दिखाने वाला था पर ये कॉन्वर्सेशन ही बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग
Это по-своему.
It's like chat अलग tangent पे जा गया अभी.
अभी मतलब there is no end to this. I think his Instagram live cannot be saved. Those are watching live only. No
Thankfully, it's not recorded, no? The Instagram live.
No, it can be recorded.
Ничего не посмотрела.
Can be recorded. Like if I think it's people can record.
देख वहाँ देख वो swing.
Oh, that's swing, yeah. Wait,
हाँ.
let me see if I can zoom in. So that's literally like on
People
the.
are swinging towards life and death.
That's crazy.
Учи
Do you want to do
английский,
it?
так клёво.
No, I don't want to do it.
It's crazy, no?
हाँ, even content is not worth it so much.
Вообще жесть.
Oh, Sama is there in the chat apparently. From what I see.
Что, вам тут нравится?
Да, они же сказали, очень красивая природа.
Okay, guys, I think this was it for today's Instagram live. I hope you had a good time. Srinath, any last few words you want to say?
Сегодня нормальная мама.
Uh,
Я же спросила, как
so
вам дорого?
all school guys. VD is happy.
Finally, in open air. Chalo, I think it's time to end. Thank
Yeah,
you
yeah.
everyone for joining in. Maza aaya. It was one of the most spontaneous things we did.
Impromptu.
Yeah. But I think now we have to rush, yeah?
Yeah, now we have to really get down fast.
Okay, guys. Bye.
It was fun.
Yeah,
It was a lot of fun.
It was really fun, yeah. बहुत सही मजा आया. Conversations, the.
Все, давайте.
Bye. पका. हो गया, चलो. I think अभी क्या यहाँ पे एक थोड़ी वीडियोस दिखा देता हूँ. The place I just show around.
There is just so much to show around. You can spend weeks in Sochi.
Yeah, I think the rest of it will be in the vlog. So do subscribe to Srinath's channel. Okay, guys.
Subscribe to my channel.
Bye, guys. Thank you for joining in. I couldn't
And do
read all
follow
the
me on
messages.
Instagram too.
Yeah.